Right, welcome to the channel today everyone. We're in Weymouth and we've come to explore if Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK. Now I don't know if it's true, but leave your comments below if you think Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK. As you can see from the camera, it's a nice one tier all the way round to the pavilion, which is just here. And yeah, so we've come up to see if Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK. I know you've travelled to many beaches, all of you, watching the video today, so come on, let's go and explore and see if Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK. Leave your comments below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you, and we'll have a walk down this fabulous beachfront of Weymouth and we'll see what it's made of. Come on, let's go and have a look. Well, you can see plenty on the beach today. Coming to Alexandra Gardens, which is a kids' fair. You can go over there and enjoy. That's opposite the beachfront. And look at that fabulous beach. Now I know further on down past the pier bandstand, that half is pebbles. And then from then on the other side to here, this point, it's all sand, and it's a lovely sand, a lovely beach. So let's go and have a look, see what they've got on offer for the kids on the beach this year. And when you're coming down here, you've got what to expect to see if Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK. Lots to do on the seafront for the kids. It looks like it's better this year than any other year. There's more to do. Someone's thinking along the right lines about the beach this year, the design of it. So we'll see. Yeah, you've got the sand castle here, sand sculptures. I'm not sure if there's anything in there yet. Nothing as yet, a bit quiet. Been like that for a few weeks now, so I'm not really sure what this thing is going to be. If anyone has any ideas on what that thing is going to be, leave your message in the comments. It's up by opposite Alexandra Gardens, so I'm not sure what that's going to be. So if you have any ideas, you've seen it, you live down here, leave a message in the comments. If you have any ideas or a guess what it's going to be, a surprise, you never know. Anyway, let's carry on walking down, and yeah, you've got the donkey rides, which they've all gone out now, over there, and you've got the volleyball, which is taking place just here. And the donkey rides have just gone over there now, over the far side. So you've got volleyball. Kids are welcome to play that as well. And you've got the donkey rides for the kids. I don't think it's too much money. And yeah, there's one there. You see the donkeys. and you've got a nice coffee place on the seafront as well. The boat, where you can sit down, have a cup of coffee and watch the world go by and watch the kids play. And yeah, so hopefully you leave your message in the comments if Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK, and it's going to be close. I know there's a lot of nice beaches around. I've been to a few myself over the years, but there's plenty to do, plenty to buy, plenty of knickknacks to buy for the little shops on the seafront, the little huts and everything. And there's the old famous Helter Skelter. Every year it's here, the icon of Weymouth. Yeah, plenty to do. It's much better this year than any other year I've known it. Lots more on the seafront. Yeah, the pirate ship is new this year as well. That's a new feature to the Weymouth Beach. And I think that thing over there with the white cars, I'm not sure what it's called actually, but the Petra something, that's new as well, I think. I don't think that was here last year. And the old pirate ship as well, that's new feature for the beach this year as well. So pretty good so far, I think, for the beach. Yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, so leave your comments down below if you think so far, if you think Weymouth has got the best beach in the UK. Absolutely lovely to relax on. You're coming down this way this year, expect a great holiday, and it's lovely, beautiful sand. So I'd love to hear your comments below. Right, let's move away from the fair. So, you know, you've got the donkey rides, you've got the Alexandra Gardens opposites, and you've got the old famous beach fair. And it's looking not too bad so far. Yeah, you can now grab yourself a hot dog and a coffee on the beach there, look. All nicely laid out. Much better this year. Lovely straight seafront all the way down. Without crossing any roads, you know what I mean? It's all the way down to the pier bandstand and onwards as well to Green Hill Gardens. Stretches all the way down to Bowlees, and it comes to a stop. Then you've got a big hill to climb to get to Bowlees. Not too bad, but that's not too bad. Anyway, got another cafe bar here, where you can have coffee, snacks and all sorts on the front. Just relax and watch the world go by. Excuse me. Yeah, so there's got to be beaches as good as this one around the UK. So leave your comments below. Let's hear from you, and give me your thoughts on what you reckon so far. Yeah, you can always hire boats to go out to sea. I think there's some boats, some boat rides, especially on Brewers Quay. You can get the rib boat from there as well, which is races across the sea, and it's very fast indeed, as you can see in one of the videos I've done a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, and some more little beach shops along the front here, and hopefully they look much better this year than any other year. I think I've known the beach much better this year than any other year, to be honest. It's probably the best I've seen it. I know you've probably been to better places around the UK for your holidays and that, but it's nice to see if Weymouth has the best beach in the UK and how many comments we get on it. It'd be nice to know. And there's a lot more to do on the seafront this year than any other year. Yeah, you got a little table tennis game there, look. If you want a game of table tennis, you got that there. And you've got the, if you want to look different, you can look different. So, there you so far. Another little coffee bar. Just there. Yeah, and you've got all the bus hubs just up there as well for all the buses right next to the beach. And it'd be nice to see if Weymouth's got the best beach in the UK. Because I've been to a few myself, but haven't seen one as nice as this beach for a while. So a nice straight one-tier beach all the way around, and it'd be nice to know. Anyway, let's carry on down towards the clock. Yep, let's go. Head towards the old icon, the Weymouth Jubilee clock. There you go, look at that for a beach. Has Weymouth got the best beach in the UK? Let's hear your comments below, and we'll see if Weymouth stems up to what it is, a seaside town. Let's have a walk on the beach and just show you the sea's right out today. As you can see up there, that's where we just walked from the top all the way down and the way around here. It comes all the way down here to the pier bandstand, which is that white building just on the bottom there. So it'd be nice to know if Weymouth has the best beach in the UK. That's what we all want to find out. I know there's got to be probably loads of beaches which is as good as this one really, but it'd be nice to find out if this one stems up to its what it's supposed to be, a seaside town. And it'd be nice to see. You've probably all, loads of people have been to different beaches around the UK, and it'd be nice to know if this one is one of the best ones, or maybe one of the best ones. Maybe not the best, maybe one of the best. I don't know. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments, and be lovely to hear from you. And to see if it's true, everybody, that Weymouth has the best beach. I went to Swanage a few weeks ago. That's a beautiful beach down there as well. That's a lovely beach. Not as big as Weymouth, of course, but it is very nice down there. So, if you like the video today, please like and comment if you think Weymouth's got the best beach in the UK. I'd love to hear from you. And please give us a thumbs up to get this video pushed out just a little bit further, so people can see what this place is like. And thanks everyone for watching this short video today on Weymouth. And please leave a message in the comments and I'll get back to all of you. And anyway, have a great day. And from Weymouth, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day and bye for now.